welcome back to the Reckless JK. I know I haven't made any videos in a long time, and right now I'm laying down on my back. Why am I laying down on my back again? Well, it's review time, boys and girls. On the Evo sway bar disconnect. Most of you guys have seen this, because this is my most famous video so far, my most watched rather, not famous, because it only has like 1,000 views. But my review on this guy is going to be this. It works sometimes. Sometimes I'll be driving down the road, and then it'll just disconnect when I hit a pothole or a bump. And then I have to freaking come back down here, and I will, screw it back on. Like so. Bear with me on the bumps here. To disengage, you turn to the right. Disengage. That's a new word. Turn it all the way to the right until it stops. There we go. So now she should be disengaged. And now you can go drive up on the rocks or tree stumps, whatever it is you want to. It'll do the exact same thing that the regular Rubicon sway bar will do, or the motor rather. It's just $100 and not $1,000 to replace. I actually like it a lot, but it doesn't work all the time. But for me, it doesn't matter, because this thing's top heavy and, drives like crap anyways. So does it work? I will take some video and put that in after this. For $100, I recommend you buying it. But if I could do it again, I would have just went with the anti-rock, because it's only like $400. So if you're looking into this, buy the anti-rock sway bar, not this guy, unless you're just balling on a budget like myself. And that's it. Also, important note, make sure your steering wheel is straight whenever you go to reconnect this guy, which we're about to do right now. Step 1, get out of car. Step 2, climb under car. And get dirty, because why not? Step 3, turn to the left. Step 4, tighten the nut. I just do mine hand tight because, well, it's already top heavy as hell, so it's already gonna sway. Why not sway a little more? And that's how you connect it. Thanks. It's a pretty good flex. Nothing but just a log. It's probably, my guess, 15 inches maybe, foot and a half. Looks pretty nasty to me. But yeah. Get up under here, see this flex, boy. I know I'm a weirdo. You ain't gotta tell me. This right here is that sway bar length. Can't see. But yeah. That's even. Probably a good 30 degree of angle. Not too bad. Makes it to where this heavy bastard doesn't flip over on you. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching.